Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's make some stuff. In this video I'm going to unbox a beautiful cupboard for kids. So here I'm showing you the picture of expectations. Let's unbox and see what we have inside. So this is my second collapsible cupboard which I am buying it from the Flipkart. So I already have bought one and I did a review video on it. If you haven't watched the video, please do check the link in the description box. So this cupboard, it has a very special functionality, like if you don't want, you can remove it and you can fold it and keep it together. Along with this parcel you will be getting some connectors to join the cupboard. So here you can see the connectors, and I have also got a wooden hammer which is actually very small and it's actually useful when you are trying to fit the cupboard. So the next thing what we have is a hanger. So I'll be showing you how we are going to use this, and we have some small door magnets. As this is a 8-door cupboard, so we'll be having 8 door magnets for this. And let's see what and all we have inside this parcel more. So this is like useful for kids rooms, and this is also used for good storage bedroom. So the picture shows here the 8 doors images, and this is of Hello Kitty one, which I actually love it very much. So if you want to clean this cupboard, you can use a clean soft cloth to clean all those stuff. So I'm showing you all the connectors, magnets. Let's see how it actually looks. Wow, this is amazing. I would like to give 10 out of 10 stars. So this has actually come as it is, like how they have shown it in a picture. So you'll have good ample amount of storage. You can also use it for kids, even to have it your things. So the color of the product may vary slightly compared to the picture displayed on the screen. This is due to the pixel quality and color settings. Please check the product dimensions to ensure the product will fit in the desired location. Also check if the product will fit the entrance and door of the premises. Please expect an unevenness of up to 5 mm in the product due to differences in floor service, all those floor levels. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon.